Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today, I wanted to create this video to share with you my insights on some value add stock plays, at least in the cannabis sector. Now, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that I'm not a financial analyst, and all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you do consider making a stock investment, please make sure to do your research. Now, I'll share with you 3 company stocks that I feel can add value with long-term investing. Now, these 3 stocks are in the cannabis sector. The fact that we've heard news about Mexico legalizing the use of marijuana, that's really big, at least in NAFTA trading, right? At least in the North American region, now bordered with the southern country, Mexico. Canada, it's already legalized. So this whole NAFTA territory is okay. There's a system green light with cannabis use. I mean, it was previously already in use in Europe, but now we see it being legalized in the United States, now in Mexico as well. So this is going to cause a paradigm shift, and there's going to be future valuation growth. The fact that we know in the United States, politics really support cannabis use, whether it's for recreational or medical use. I mean, you have the Democrats now on board, so they're pushing for all these new changes in place, at least for like energy and like cannabis use. And that's why the 3 stocks I'll be sharing with you are some value add plays that I feel can add significant value to your investment portfolio. Now, ticker number 1 I wanted to share with you is Aphria, a company that's actually based out in Canada. This ticker is APHA. What's so unique about Aphria, right? Well, I tend to think of like Aphria, Aurora Cannabis, but ultimately my main choice would be Aphria. I was recommending this ticker back when it was like in the single digits at $4, and now it has gained significantly. Now it's up close to like $22. Today it gained by about double digits in share price. Now the question is, can it bull run back to its prior resistance of like $25? I firmly believe that's going to be coming in the next few days or so. But in Q2, we shall see new numbers. I mean, possibly into like the $40 breakout range. So let's not ignore what this high quality based company can do for you. And when you look at its financials and its business strategy, it has partnerships all around the world, at least in Europe, in the United States, and it will start tapping into other areas as well. And we know by looking at the exports year over year, it's only increasing with the number of pounds that it's exporting out from its country, Canada. So that just tells you that its business is in full-fledged operation, but it will continue to be in a growth state where it will continually grow, given the fact that there's just a paradigm shift for just cannabis, and there's such a big demand now with not much jurisdiction in place. So let's not ignore what Aphria can do for you, because let's say if you were to invest now, even though it's at the low 20s, you can gain on like 100% in positive proceeds in the near term. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Sundial Growers by the ticker Sndl. I was previously recommending this ticker back when it was like at the 40 cents. It bull run all the way up to like mid $2, and it's now establishing a floor at like 130, 140. The question is, can it bull run back up to its prior resistance? I firmly believe that it's just taking the technical stair steps right now, just with time. The fact that it's accumulating sideways right now, we shall see a bull run up. Can it bull run up to like $3? It's very possible with this ticker, Sundial Growers, and there's just so much volume traded with its shares. So that just tells you that there's a lot of attention, at least for like investors, with Sundial Growers. And today it got up by like double digits in share price range, and I firmly believe that it will continue to bull run. And let's say if you were to hold long term, at least that can like double your money by like 100 to 200% in positive proceeds. If you hold it for like several years, can you imagine if it goes up to like double digit share price? That's just solid right there. So if you have, an investment where you don't have a propensity to pull out, that could be a very hidden gem play in the long term with Sundial Growers, as opposed to like, doing day or swing trading. So let's not ignore what this ticker Sundial Growers can do for you, because it can grow significantly as well, similar to like Aphria when it was in the single digit share price and just bull running up. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is an interesting stock play where it's bridging bioscience and the use of cannabinoids. This ticker is called Skye Bioscience, by the ticker SKYE. This is a San Diego-based biotechnology company that is bioengineering a prodrug called THC-VHS, where it works with the University of Mississippi to research and develop a prodrug called THC-VHS and CBD-VHS. Specifically, the THC-VHS is used for patients that have glaucoma with high intraocular pressure. That's the leading cause of intraocular pressure causing glaucoma. And this company has several preclinical trials data where it has demonstrated superior reduction in intraocular pressure. It plans on going into phase 3 clinical trials this year. So that's looking very solid. And if and when the company is able to demonstrate safety, passing phase 1 clinical trials, I have firm belief that's when institutions will start investing big time into this company. If you look at like Jazz Pharmaceuticals acquiring GW Pharmaceuticals, that just further validates the use of like cannabis in healthcare medicine. And to me, the difference is that this company leverages bioengineered patented product where it has amino acids added so that it can bind with your innate receptors in your eyes without providing the therapeutic high effect. So that's very unique. Let's say if you want to tap into like both arenas, cannabis and healthcare medicine, well, Skye Bioscience is a ticker not to ignore, because I firmly believe that, let's say if you were to invest now at the 11-12 cents and it goes up to a whole dollar value, that means you're gaining on like 10x 1000% in positive proceeds. What if it can like bull run up like what we had seen with eyes, going up to like $15? That's just huge news. And we know that this is a leading pioneer for advancing medical unmet needs by tapping into the use of cannabinoids. And I have firm belief that it can add value, because if you look at like glioblastoma, scientists and physicians know that the use of cannabis has demonstrated a reduction in the tumor size. When you look at like GW Pharmaceuticals product line Epidiolex, intended for epileptic seizures, that just demonstrates that it works in patients for reducing occurrences of epileptic seizures as well. So that's why I have firm high conviction in companies like Skye Bioscience for what it's doing. And I firmly believe that the share price will grow in future valuation. It's not a matter of if, but a matter of when. Just recently, it just established by having more scientific board members added to its committee. For example, University of Italy and Spain professors on board to further build on their scientific board committee, even with scientists, ophthalmologists coming from like Stanford University and Mount Sinai. So that just tells you it has a reputable company leadership team as well as a scientific board committee. So let's not lose sight of what Skye Bioscience can do for you, because I have high conviction that in the long run it will grow in future value. So if you were to park your money now where it's undervalued, then you can gain on significant positive proceeds. So overall, I hope that these 3 tickers has showed you new insights. And let's say if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content. I'd be interested to answer any questions or comments that you have. Please leave it down below. And thanks for watching another episode at AlliseeisW. Have a great day, y'all. Goodbye.